Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Play Store name. First, it's important to distinguish between your application's display name and your developer account name. Each has a distinct process for modification. Your app's name is what users see on the store listing, while your developer name is associated with your overall account. We will cover both methods to ensure you can make the necessary updates effectively and efficiently. To change your application's display name, begin by logging into your Google Play console. Once inside, find the Store Presence section on the left-hand menu and click on Store Listing. Here, you will see a field labeled App Name. Simply type in your new desired name, ensuring it adheres to Google's policies. After making your edits, remember to save your changes and then submit the update for Google's review process. Changing your developer name is a more significant process, requiring Google's approval. From your Play console, navigate to the Account Details section. Within this area, you will find the developer name field. To request a change, you'll need to follow the prompts to submit an edit request. Be prepared to provide a clear and valid reason for the name modification, as Google reviews these requests carefully before granting approval. When making these changes, keep a few key considerations in mind. App name updates usually take a few hours to become visible across the Play Store. Developer name changes, however, involve a more thorough review and can take several business days for Google to process. Always ensure your chosen names comply with all Google Play policies to avoid delays or rejections. Finally, consider informing your users if the name change is substantial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.